Welcome to another video by Dan the Computer Man with 12red Tech at 12red.com, 12red.com. This is a memory upgrade on a DELL Optiplex 9010. I've taken the stick of memory from a matching DELL Optiplex 9010. I'm going to install it in this system, so it's going from 4 gigabits of memory to 8 gigabits of memory. This will be matching memory that will increase the performance as well, in addition to the increased memory. So this was a FastShipped unit from Dell. I ordered it and it was here the next day. Very nice feature from Dell, the FastShip feature. It's going in the same slot. You see the matching white wings. That's how you know which slot to put it in. And I matched the teeth up with the little hump that's in the plastic slot, and then you press top and bottom, make sure the wing's in place, grab the door, snap the door back on, which is just incredibly easy to service everything in the DELL Optiplex 9010. Very powerful little system. Press the power button and it will give us the message advising us the memory has changed, and to press F1 to continue. And that is another video of Dan the Computer Man at 12red.com, 12red Tech. And there is the message. We'll zoom in, and I will see you guys on the next video.